Hello everyone. This section is going to be brought to you by the traders at Spread Hunter, and it is titled What is a Call Option? Obviously very fundamental to options traders, but very, very significant. Everything that you see on the screen here is on the Spread Hunter platform, which we will be using throughout this. And so let's begin. And the question is, what is a call option, and how do you trade a call option to make a living? If you had to make a living trading call options and nothing else, what would you do? The first thing you would do is think about trading everything from the long side. My advice for anybody who wants to trade short calls is either A, trade long puts, or B, don't do it, because the only difference between a short call trader and a bankrupt trader is really just a matter of time. It will be up to you, the trader, to seek your entry and exit points, or to pinpoint them, whether it's through charting or in the service. There are a lot of fantastic publishing services that give buy entry points and exit points. But let's look at Apple here on the screen, which only a few days ago was trading around 142. So that was the at-the-money price. And let's see, the at-the-money call in Apple right now is the 50 call. It's trading at $2. But the stock was 8 points lower. So if you had bought the at-the-money call for $2 or even $2.50 then, your $2.50 option would be $8.50. So you would be up 350% on your trade. And that's the leverage that you get from trading options, and that's the leverage you get from trading from the long side at the right time. Obviously, you need to have good timing. And also, obviously, you have the benefit of a little bit of slush. And what I mean by that is, if you bought your 42 calls in Apple, and let's say you paid $3, not $2.50, well, you're still looking at 250% gain if you can hang on to them for a few days. And we're only talking about a few days here. So long calls from my dollar are a very, very powerful way to insert yourself into the market. And in this kind of volatility, you're going to get a lot of chances to do this.